Welcome to VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. Guys, when you go outside of your home, what you generally use? You use VIT. But today I'm going to introduce one application with you, with the help of which your navigation will be enhanced. Though the application will not be a replacement of your white cane or guide dogs, but this will really help you. With this application, you can choose your destination and it will automatically create the route and it will guide you with the voice, with proper destination and direction. Though I will not be able to demonstrate the application live because record the video while walking with a white cane is not possible and it's very challenging and very risky also. But I have tried this application and this is just amazing. So watch this video till the end to learn more about the application and to learn how to download the application. Before starting the video, guys, if you wish to join our online courses, so this is the right time for you, because in V.I Tech Academy we offer up to 25% discount on all our courses. Super Summer Sale is live now, and if you want to get the courses at maximum benefit, so don't forget to join our courses right now. Let me tell you quickly what about our upcoming courses. We will start the art of sound designing with Repair in May 2025. We will also start WordPress Launchpad in the same month, and in June 2025 we will start Advanced Excel Mastery with Screen Reader. For more details, check out our courses section of our website. For more details, you can follow us on WhatsApp, Telegram. The links are given in the video description below. Guys, today I am recording this video on the terrace, so you might get some noises like birds singing or some wind sound. So please manage it. Now, without further delay, let's start today's discussion. I have downloaded the application already. First time when you download the application, you need to allow some permissions, then you will be able to use this application. This application has many modes, many advanced level of settings and features. Everything is not possible to cover in the same video. That's why today I will discuss the main feature which I have already spoke about. And if you are interested, so we can make different videos and we will discuss different features. So guys, let me open the application.
Stop recording. Safety 6 soft services. Seeing Assistant Go 70 of 89.
The
Row
application
14,
name
column
is
5.
Seeing Assistant Go. Let me open the application.
Seeing Assistant Go.
Once you open the application, you will see
Positioning
this one.
accurate. Menu button.
See
Seeing menu button.
menu button. So under menu button, you will get some features.
Where am
options.
I? Button.
Where
Positioning
am I?
accuracy 6 meters.
Where am I?
Positioning accuracy 4 meters.
See, it's continuously saying the position accuracy, etc. So skip it right now. Where am I? If you click here, you can check where are you. Let's check.
But menu. Where am I? Button. Positioning accuracy 4 meters. Batanagar, Maheshtala, Vikarpukur, Maheshtala Residential 25 meters to west.
So this is announcing my current location. If I want to share the location, I can do it.
Monitoring button on.
Monitoring button off. So monitoring means, let's suppose you want to go to your nearest railway station, or you want to go to your nearest some certain shop or certain things, whatever. Now if you select it from this, it will continuously monitor and tells you how far away that store from your position, and until unless you will stop monitoring, it will announce.
Air monitoring button on.
So let me go here.
Alert. Select category to monitor.
So it says that select category to monitor.
Train journey button.
Train journey, so it will announce the train
Shops
station.
button.
Shops.
Addresses button.
Addresses. So here you can write proper addresses and it will monitor.
Streets and roads. Button.
Streets and roads.
Local public transport.
Local
Button.
public transport. So
Intercity bus journey.
intercity bus journey.
Eat. Button. Toilets. Button.
Toilets.
Animals. Button.
Animals.
Art and culture. Button. Art
so
animal
just I'm
toilet.
going to-
Eat. Toilet. Animal. Art animal toilets. Eat. Intercity. Local. Street. Address. Shops.
Shops.
Seeing assistant go.
Shops.
Area. Button. Search. Button. Area. Monitoring. Button. Shops.
So it says monitoring shops. Okay, so it will start monitoring all the shops near you, not you. It will start monitoring the shops. But after that, you need to
Area,
see here
button.
is area.
Search. Button.
Search.
Save places.
Save
Button.
places.
Databases. Button.
Databases.
Track points. Button. Route. Track points.
Track
Button.
points.
Routes.
Routes.
Compass. Button.
Compass.
Help. Button.
Okay, I don't know all
Compass.
the features.
Routes.
I just
Track.
explained
Database.
only one
Save.
feature.
Search. Area. Monitoring. Where am I? Button. Monitoring. Button. Shops. Alert.
just go to monitoring.
Turn off. Button. Shops. Button.
You can turn this off. So
Turn off.
I'm
Button.
just turn off.
Seeing assistant go. Area. Search. Area. Area.
Okay, I'm going to area.
Area. Menu. Train journey. Button.
See, within area, you can just create a route for this area. So train
Local
journey.
public train journey.
Let's say
train
click on
journey.
train
Nanji
journey.
Nai Railway Station. Station 110 meters to southwest.
Now it is saying that it is announcing my nearest railway station. See,
Mahak Nanji Nai Railway Station. Station 110 meters to southwest.
and it is saying that from my position, it is 110 meters to the southwest. So if I want to go to this station, I just need to double tap here.
Creating route. Route
I need
length
to start
840
creating the
meters. Route. Active walk south 25 meters to west.
Now
25
see-
meters.
See, it gives you the proper steps. See, I'm reading
Menu. Active walk south 25 meters to west.
active walk south,
Turn left 76
then
meters to
turn
south.
left to south.
Turn right 160 meters to east.
Okay,
Turn right 210 meters to south. Turn right 100 meters to west.
okay.
Turn right 100. You have arrived at your destination 170 meters to north. Nanji Nai Railway. Selected. Points. Tab
Points.
1 of Management. Tab 2 of 2.
Management. So in management, you can.
Stop recording. Management.
If you go to
Tab 2 of 2.
management, there are
Window
two
route.
tabs. Points tab means you will get the points from where I mean total directions.
Select management.
If you go to management tab-
Stop recording. 9 minutes. Back route. Menu. But on route 2. Route length 840 meters.
It's a route length
Remaining 870 meters.
remaining.
Activate previous. Button.
Activate previous, activate next.
Button.
Okay, it will ask you to activate the next steps. Okay,
25 meters to west to walk south. Recap. Save the route. Button. And
You can save the route.
End navigation.
in
Button.
navigation.
Points.
Okay.
End navigation. Button. 44 meters to southwest to turn left.
Okay, so it's continuously saying these things. Now, after turning this on, which means after selecting this routes and destination, if you start walking with your stick and keep your phone in your pocket, it will continuously announcing when you require to turn left, turn right, etc., etc., etc. Even it will also say that it will be behind you, in front of you, or where.
Points. End navigation.
So I'm just
Button.
ending the
Train journey
navigation. Otherwise, it will
195 places.
continuously saying
Done and
same thing.
Mahashtala City 2.8.
Now I just
area.
want to go to
Menu.
monitoring.
Button. Train journey. Button. See. Search. Button. Air. Monitoring. Alert. Train addresses. Button. Train journey.
And go to this
assistant go.
train journey.
Area. Search. Area. Monitoring. Button. Train journey.
Okay, so I just choose this monitoring train journey. Then from area, I need to select the route. So, which means my nearest station will be continuously monitoring.
Area. Search. Button.
Okay, so there are more features, more things are there which you can explore on your own. But only this feature I discussed today. Maybe in the next video, I will discuss further settings and what is this database, what is this search, what you can do with this application. Okay, you can do I think in search you can search the places.
Save places.
Okay,
Button.
save places you already understand what are the places you saved for your future
Databases,
reference.
button.
Databases.
Databases.
If you go there, see.
Databases. Menu. No databases. Stop recording.
Okay, so no database
See.
right now.
Track. Routes. Button.
So routes. This is the routes.
Compass. Button.
Okay, compass. What is this compass use? I will I'll not experiment right now because it will take time. So that's why these are the options available.
Room,
And also
track,
I'll show you
data,
one
save,
thing.
search, area, monitor. Where am I? Menu. Seeing assistant go. Menu. Button.
Click on
Alert.
menu.
Home. Where am I?
And here
Button.
you will get home.
Share location.
Share location.
Save current location.
Save
Button.
current location.
Repeat last message.
Repeat
Button.
last
Compass.
message.
Button.
Compass.
Location data. Button.
Location
Settings.
data.
Button.
Then settings. So under settings you will find some features and options. See,
Setting. Back. Settings. Menu. Text to speech.
text to speech,
Notification methods.
Notification.
Backup. Button.
backup,
Advanced settings.
advanced settings.
On. Advanced mode.
Okay.
Switch.
Currently I turned on this advanced mode. Even I don't know what's the extra features. How can we use this? Just I turned on for the experiment purpose. So once my experiment will done, I will definitely make
Seeing
another
assistant
video of this
Seeing
application.
assistant go. Menu. Button.
So this
Seeing
is
assistant
a
go.
brief of this application. If you wish to download this application, you can download it directly from Play Store, or you can also visit the video description below, as well as on our official WhatsApp channel. So that's it for today. If you find this content useful, like the video and share the video with your loved ones. Please subscribe to our official YouTube channel VI Tech Academy for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.